Go.
Hi, so here we have our hot pan. I put a little bit of vegetable oil in it and we're going to start our eggs. So we're going to crack 2 eggs, always checking for blood spots first. That was our first egg. Here's our second egg.
What are you making?
We're going to make a Spanish omelet. I have a little bit of diced onion and red pepper. I added a little bit of Parmesan cheese for flavor and a little bit of salsa for a little bit of kick. Adding a little salt to our eggs because everything always needs a little salt and a little pepper for the same reason. We're going to just whip our eggs up now with a fork. Breaking up the yolk first makes it easier so it can mix and get incorporated with the white of the egg as much as possible. We always want to make sure that our pan is nice and hot so that the eggs cook directly when it hits the thing. So as you can see that it's nice and hot, our oil is simmering and moving in the pan. Here we go, our egg is in the pan. I'm going to swirl it around to make a nice circle. Making sure all of our things are nice and cooked around the edges. Shake it in the pan to keep it nice and loose. Just like that. Once it's a little more cooked on the side, we're going to be turning it over.
30 seconds.
Flip the egg. Cooks the other side. I'm going to add our nice diced peppers and onions now, right to the center.
Save some for the top.
And we're going to flip our egg over now. Flipping the egg over. Just like that. We're going to have our plate. And we want to slide our egg out nice and gentle. And there you go. Spanish omelet. Little extra hint of Parmesan cheese on the outside. And we're done.